How to fix no sound in Mobile Legends Bang Bang on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to check your sound settings. You can turn off the silent mode. Make sure your iPhone silent mode is off. You can even increase the volume by pressing the volume up button to raise your device's volume. After that, you can simply launch the Mobile Legends application, tap on the settings icon and then tap on sound tab and ensure the main volume is on. After that, simply open up settings. Inside settings, you need to go and simply tap on general. Scroll below again, tap on iPhone storage. Then inside here, find Mobile Legends application and then tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. After uploading the application, simply tap on reinstall app to reinstall the game. Once reinstalled, you can open the game again and the sound should now be restored. That's it. You have now fixed the sound issue in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.